The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Unscrew the stops to the left and pull straight out to remove them. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip the frame cover. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards, and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1205C filter into the frame with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Place the filter and the frame back into the housing. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.